How to set C translation on Facebook app. So if you want to set C translation on Facebook app, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store, and under your Play Store you need to go with search, and on your search you need to search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application. Now after updating, you can launch the application. After launching, now go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and tap on language and region, and here you will have the option of translation. So you can go with language you would like to have post translated to, tap on the option, and then select the language to which you would like to translate. I'll just simply choose English and then go with save. After that, you can go with the other option, which is the first one, language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. This also you can choose English. So that's how you can set C translation on Facebook app, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.